All right, we're gonna take a little cruise here in a 1975 Corvette. Pretty stock, you know, same owner since the late 70s, and took really good care of it. You know, regular maintenance. It's got under 100,000 original miles. Even has the original AM/FM radio, T-tops.
4-speed.
Yeah, 4-speed. Kind of nice. Nice to have a 4-speed. Telescopic steering wheel.
Yep.
Comes with leather interior.
Can we run the stop sign again?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, we always do.
Of course, 4-wheel disc brakes like all Corvettes since 1965. But, you know, 350. It's called the L48. I'm not going to tell you the horsepower because I'm embarrassed. But other than that, it feels good.
Yeah, no, it's a good get up. You know, let's just keep up with the freeway traffic and all that stuff, and a little more than that, but you know, not 500 horse.
No. All the bushings, suspension are all nice. It was well cared for and serviced regularly. Yeah, it gets up and goes pretty good. All 4 speeds feel good anyway.
Yeah, torque multiplication, you can't beat it.
This is a dark red metallic, which is, they actually made a lot of them, but I never see them. So the 4-speed part's kind of rare though. And this being a California car, and a 75, it's nice because it's smog exempt. Even though it does have all the smog equipment on it still at this time. All right, here's our picture shot.
Yeah. I guess we should just like park here.
Here's our 1975 Corvette Stingray. 75 is a good year for us in California because we don't have to smog it anymore, even though it has the equipment on it. But this is the L48 4-speed version. They call this dark red metallic. Pretty original car. The nice lady that we got it from, it was their car since the late 70s, I think 77 or 78. Took really good care of it. A couple personal touches. They striped it. Kind of cool. Either you like it or you don't, but I kind of like it. It's not over the top. It came with leather interior, which is kind of unique. AM/FM radio. It's got the famous 15/8-inch Rally wheels, which look great on these cars. Factory alarm, which I don't know if anybody uses those anymore on these, but door key works it. Inside, real clean. It's got a split in the driver's seat, but these seat covers are available now in leather through many Corvette places. It's got telescopic steering wheel, which fits most bodies. Kind of neat with a 4-speed. They kind of did away with 4 speeds towards the end. All factory gauges, factory tack, everything seems to work well on it. Real honest, classic Corvette with under 100,000 miles, which is saying something for something from 1975. Here's the power plant in the 1975 Corvette. It's basically 350. They rated the horsepower at net horsepower these years, so I think it's like under 200, which not very much to talk about, but it doesn't feel like it. It runs really well and strong. Still has a smog pump on there. It looks like it was recently replaced, not that you need it. Newer alternator. Like I said, regular service. Pretty well taken care of. Walk around the other side here. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice and stock, all smooth, no modifications, no headers, no custom exhaust. You can do all that stuff if you want. You can take off the smog, you can put an engine dress-up kit. But some people just like it this way, you know? Original stickers. I'll walk around the back so you can hear the exhaust. It's nice and subdued. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. And you can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. We'd be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.